Hey guys, it's Starheart from Animal Jam, and I am auditioning for Animal Jam's Got Talent, and I'm doing Taylor Swift our song. So let's do this thing. Okay. I was riding shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of his car. He had one hand on the steering wheel, another on my heart. I looked around, turned the radio down. He said, "Baby, is something wrong?" I said, "Nothing, I was just thinking how we don't have a song." And he said, "Our song is a screen door, sneaking out the toe on your window. When you're on the phone and it talks real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know. Our song is a way to laugh, the first and gave him a kiss and I should have. When I got home, I couldn't singing, asking God if he could play it again." I was walking up the front porch after everything that day. He had all gone wrong, all been trampled on the way. Got in the hallway, saving all letters and I loved it. I almost didn't realize all the roses and the note that said, "Our song is a slam screen door, sneaking out until on your window. When we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know. Our song is a way to laugh, the first Monday and kiss and I should have." And when I got home, I sang it and then asking God if he could play it again. Da 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 da. I heard everything that album, listened to the radio, waiting for something to come along that was as good as our song, our song. 'Cause of our song, and slam screen doors, sticking out to toy on your window when he's on the phone and it talks real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know. Our song is a way to last, the first dinner and kiss and I should have. And when I got home, I was saving, asking God if he could again. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I was riding shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of his car. Grabbed an old napkin and wrote down our song. Our song is a slam screen door, sticking a great chapter on your window. When we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know. Our song is a way to laugh, the first day man and kiss her and should have. And when I got home, for a second then asking God if he could play it again. Well, thanks for watching and see you all next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and favorite.